your... Thanks!
Scorpio, you kill for me and make me happy. So I do not ask what you are really doing here in Panau. One day I will find out. It is perhaps the day I will kill you, no? There is a valley nearby, Scorpio. They call it Limba Firdaus, the Paradise Valley, as it once held a place of worship for the local tribes. Today, it houses a facility for the cultivation and manufacture of a most exquisite narcotic, so the name still applies, I think. Knowing its worth, the military have the facility heavily guarded. I need you to help my loyal soldiers claim this paradise for the Roaches. Let them bring you there!
You have to get me to the inner temple so I can hack the transmitter and jam the distress signal. Now go, Roaches! And Scorpion, bring me safely to the far temple! That mounted gun is big trouble! Scorpio, deal with it! Give him cover fire! You got it! Okay, move out!
Now, we'll have some fun.
Scorpio! You have to deal with those snipers! Good! Move out, Roaches! We are nearly at the temple! No one can stop the Roaches! Claim it! Yeah! No one messes with the Roaches! Now move on! Alright! I'll hack into the radio transmitter. Cover my ass, Scorpio! This might take a while. Fight them off! Just need a little more time. Alright! I'll hack into the radio transmitter. Cover my ass, Scorpio! This might take a while.
Tough luck, compadre.
There! No more reinforcements! This place belongs to the Roaches now!
Good work, friend. This compound will serve us well.
He's hot! Kill him now! Cover me! I'm going in! Going out on the flank! Attack!
is a tough job, but somebody's got to